Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to check in to share some highs and a few lows for the end of week 19. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shanda, and I'm glad you could pop in with me. As most of you know, I started this journey back on February 24th of 2025, weighing in at 270.2 pounds. Today, I'm down to 216.4, so no weight loss this week. In fact, I gained 4 ounces, but I'm not concerned about that at all. It's just a part of the process I've come to learn. I've been using Zepbound for almost 5 months now, and it has been an absolute wonder for me and for my life. I really felt like my body was working with me instead of against me this time. But you guys, yesterday, I got a call that really threw me off. My doctor's office let me know that my insurance no longer covers Zepbound. It has something to do with that CVS Caremark situation. And I am being switched to Wegovy. Yes. And the kicker is I have to start over from the lowest dose, which is 0.25, because the dosages run differently between Wegovy and Zepbound. So she can make sure that I can tolerate it, because of course it's semaglutide instead of tirzepatide, which is what I've been on from the beginning. You know, honestly, I am so frustrated and extremely anxious about this switch. Zepbound has been something my body responds well to. No crazy side effects, no major issues, just steady health progress. And now, because of my insurance stupid decision, I'm forced to change everything up. It's so frustrating. It feels like a huge step backward. And not to mention, it's actually $76 more per month than what I was already paying. I was paying $311 a month copay. Now it's $386 copay. So it's really frustrating. So this is my new Wegovy. I just picked it up today, although I don't start it until Monday, but it's boo. I am like just so disappointed. So this is my Wegovy, and it's the 0.25. So, and you know, it feels heavier than Zepbound felt. So don't know why that is, but it certainly does. And let me see, let me open it. I'm curious to see what it looks like, if it looks the same. Yeah, it does look the same. They're just thinner. They're like shorter and thinner than the Zepbound was. So I don't know, you guys. It's just a bummer. I don't really like being a Debbie Downer, but I'm pretty down today about the whole darn damn thing. So, but in the middle of all that, there's good news too. Some really good news, actually. I got my blood work back this week, and I am no longer pre-diabetic. My value dropped 4 points from a 5.8 to a 5.4, which takes me out of that pre-diabetic range. So super grateful about that. My blood pressure dropped from 130 over 89 to 116 over 72. So those are huge wins, and as I said earlier, I'm grateful. I'm not complaining, because those are huge. The only negative news was my cholesterol went up, which really freaked me out. And I was expecting a different result because I've completely changed my diet, which is packed with mostly fresh vegetables and seafood. So I wasn't expecting that at all. In fact, I was expecting the opposite. But after doing some research, I found that this is not uncommon and can actually happen when you lose weight rapidly. If you've had high cholesterol before starting the weight loss medication, all of that stored fat releases cholesterol into your bloodstream as you lose weight. So causes your numbers to increase and sometimes skyrocket. The article up here said it usually levels off once the weight loss slows. I'm going to put this in the chat, in the description box rather, just in case you guys want to take a look at it in the event you guys go through the same thing. But I'm hoping I won't need cholesterol meds in the meantime to keep the bad cholesterol down. It's a bit unsettling, and we'll see what happens over the next few months, you know? So yeah, there's a lot to process with these changes, and some wins, some setbacks, and some unknowns this week and moving forward. But I'm not giving up. This journey is still mine to win or lose. And even though this next chapter feels like a restart, deep down, I know it's not. It's just a different path forward. So thanks for tuning in, guys, with me again here. And if you've ever gone through a weight loss medication change, like mid-journey, please let me know how it worked for you. Did you continue to lose weight? Because that's what I'm really afraid of, that I'm not going to be as successful on this Wegovy medication, or by me having to go all the way back down to the lowest dose, is my appetite not going to be suppressed anymore? It's just so many questions. So let me know how you guys handled it if it's something that you've gone through. So stay tuned, and I'll let you guys know once I start the new meds, which will be on Monday. So thank you guys for tuning in again, and I will see you on the next one. And please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty.